In the vast darkness of the ocean, where sunlight fades and pressure crushes everything fragile, there lives a creature so strange, it feels almost extraterrestrial. The octopus. A being that has survived for more than 500 million years. This is no ordinary mollusk. It is a living paradox, soft yet powerful, fragile yet nearly impossible to defeat. In less than a fifth of a second, an octopus can transform its body. Smooth skin becomes jagged like coral. Soft flesh becomes rough like stone. It doesn't just hide, it vanishes. With 3 layers of specialized skin cells, chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores, the octopus manipulates light itself. It can shift from red to yellow, from ghostly white to shimmering blue-green, faster than the human eye can process. And here's the unsettling truth. Octopuses are colorblind. They don't see color the way we do, yet their skin contains light-sensitive proteins that allow them to detect brightness and shadow directly. They don't need to see color to become it. Even more astonishing, in 2015, scientists discovered that octopus skin contains genes similar to those in eyes. It can, in a way, see with its skin. But camouflage is only the beginning. Beneath that shifting exterior lies one of the most alien nervous systems on Earth. An octopus has around 500 million neurons, comparable to a dog, but 2/3 of them are not in its brain. They are in its arms. Each of its 8 arms can think independently. They explore, taste, and react without consulting the central brain. Even when severed, an arm can continue to move and respond to touch for nearly an hour. Imagine a creature whose consciousness is distributed, not centralized. A mind that thinks with its limbs. 3 hearts pump copper-rich blue blood through its body. An adaptation that allows survival in oxygen-poor depths. And its brain? It wraps around its throat, a donut-shaped command center unlike anything in vertebrate life. And then there is something even stranger. The octopus can edit its own RNA in real time. Instead of waiting generations to evolve, it can adjust biological instructions within its lifetime, fine-tuning itself to survive cold, pressure, or environmental change. It doesn't just adapt, it updates. Some species take deception even further. The mimic octopus of Indonesia can impersonate sea snakes, lionfish, and flatfish, reshaping its body to copy not just appearance, but movement. This is not random behavior. It suggests awareness of how predators think. Then there is the coconut octopus, walking on 2 arms like stilts, carrying coconut shells across the seafloor. When danger approaches, it assembles them into a protective fortress. Tool use, once believed to belong only to primates and crows. And in the cold waters of the Pacific Northwest, the giant Pacific octopus has been observed moving rocks to build ambush shelters. Planning, engineering, execution. Even the tiny blue-ringed octopus uses intelligence differently. Instead of hiding, it warns. When threatened, brilliant electric blue rings flash across its body, a signal backed by one of the most potent neurotoxins in the ocean, small enough to fit in a hand. powerful enough to stop a human heart within minutes. Yet for all its power, the octopus lives a short life. And perhaps its most haunting trait is sacrifice. After laying eggs, a female octopus stops eating. Her optic gland triggers a self-destructive cascade. For months, she guards her eggs without rest. Her body weakens, her skin pales, and when the eggs hatch, she dies. A programmed sacrifice written into her biology. But even here, the octopus defies expectations. In the deep waters near Costa Rica, scientists discovered something extraordinary. Nurseries of octopuses gathering near hydrothermal vents, protecting their young together. Creatures once thought solitary, showing unexpected social complexity. And then there is sleep. During active sleep, similar to human REM, an octopus's skin pulses with rapid color changes. Patterns flicker, textures shift, as if it is dreaming in color. Researchers believe this phase helps consolidate memories, compressing learning into its brief lifespan. For nearly 60% of its life, it sleeps, not to escape the world, but to process it. The octopus is not just a master of camouflage. It is a living experiment in alternative intelligence, a blueprint proving that cognition does not require bones, that awareness does not require a human-shaped brain, that evolution can produce minds wildly different from our own. When you look into the eye of an octopus, you are not seeing a simple sea creature. You are looking into an intelligence that evolved separately from ours for hundreds of millions of years. A mind shaped by darkness, by pressure, by silence. And perhaps the most humbling truth is this. If something this alien can evolve here on Earth, what might exist elsewhere? The deep ocean still holds mysteries we have barely begun to explore. And the octopus remains one of its most extraordinary enigmas. If this story changed the way you see the ocean, share your thoughts below. And join us as we continue uncovering the secrets hidden in the deep. Because the darkness still has stories to tell.